First of all, short introduction. Ancient people always attribute moon with the luck in hunting, harvest and field, and good health. And also their dependence, we are attribute moon phases with the lucky thing in our life. Now we have statistic about the deals. Deals which conclude in a full moon time is more successful than the deals that will conclude in a waning moon time. And about the operations that was in a full moon time is the very successful operations that was in our history. So we can say that theories that have our ancients is same with the facts that we have now. Moon is Earth's natural satellite, like Pluto, and his natural satellite is Charon. And also about the temperature on the moon. Temperature on moon at the night is minus 150 degrees Celsius and plus 120 degrees Celsius during the day. So Moon and Earth, the planets that was in a 4.5 billion years old, and they are conclude from the same materials.
A microcontroller is a small chip that controls electronic devices. It combines a processor, memory, ROM, and other components into one unit. This makes it more effective and cheap to using separate parts. Microcontrollers were introduced in 1971, and since then their use has grown rapidly. A microcontroller comes in different types, such as 8-bit, 16-bit, and 32-bit. The number mentions how much data the microcontroller can process at once. A 32-bit microcontroller can handle more data, making it faster and more powerful. These chips are available in various models, making them suitable for many tasks.
First, what's Arduino? Arduino is software and hardware platform for microcontroller programming. It includes small boards and development environment based on processing or wiring. The first Arduino boards was created in 2005 by Massimo Banzi for students at Interaction Design Institute in Italy. And the word Arduino comes from Italian king and bar owned by Banzi. Arduino's goal is to make microcontroller programming too easy, and it supports beginners and advanced users. And Arduino's program written in C++ with libraries that simplify tasks.
Microcontrollers are popular because they are flexible. They control a wide range of devices from home devices to complex industrial equipment. For example, they can turn devices on or off, such as lights or heating systems. This helps automate process with little power and space. Microcontrollers are programmed with software that tells them what to do. The software is stored in microcontrollers' memory, usually varying from 2 to 128 kilobytes. Before being used in products, microcontrollers are often tested with emulators to make sure that they work as expected.
This is a stepper motor, and unlike other motors, it makes our light rotate according to entered code. And this double switch turns our moon off and on with this. And this triple switch it regulates the operations of the moon project.
Arduino Nano is a small but powerful circuit board with tiny computer. It has 40 digital pins and 8 analog pins, runs at 16 MHz and works on 5-volt power.
Until the end, we can say about the one school in China. Its school study only in the moon calendar. And they are very hard SAS and very hard topic study only with lunar calendar. And with that we can say that our dependents in the future can study with the lunar calendar because it's the very useful and very successful time for our life. Astronomers divide the lunar months into 4 phases. First of all, it's the new moon. The moon is between Earth and Sun, so it's invisible from Earth. Second one is first quarter. After about a week, half the moon is lit up. Third one is full moon. After 2 weeks, the moon is fully illuminated. And the last one is last quarter. It's after 3 weeks, half the moon is lit up again. On this project, we can get next things. First of all, it's the making moon model from using microcontroller. Second one is the moon phases. Natural moon can make 4 moon phases from the 29.53 days, and our project can make 4 phases into 1 hour or 24 hours. So, short conclusion. All facts about the moon phases have us before, we just check it and have our own product model.